'Tis the season for soups and warming foods. I'm here with Chef Alex Hamilton.
Hello.
Yeah, we're going to introduce you to some of the seasonal soups that we have available at the Elixir Bar.
Yeah, so we're gonna have it's gonna be like a rotation of just like using all the amazing produce that we get, especially the fall and early winter produce like squash, cabbage.
Yeah.
We got beets. I don't have any on hand right now, but because they're all in soups. But yeah, at the Elixir Bar we have with our congee and our mushroom soup.
Yeah.
We have a rotating seasonal soup that varies from, we got like a beet chili that I love. It's like a borscht and a chili together.
Right.
We're at the tail end of our corn chowder, which was super popular.
That was incredible.
In-house smoked corn and and then there's a beeten hot and sour soup that I love and
yeah. Cool. No, it's been absolutely fantastic. So you know that whenever you can come in, you can rely on the fact that we'll have the congee, which is, tell us a little bit about that.
So that's just it's using a bone broth with grass-fed, grass-finished, really well treated beef, and then in it is caramelized onions and caramelized mushrooms that are locally grown, and just it's super delicious with a lot of warming spices, tons of things like star anise and seaweed.
Yeah.
And then there's a little bit of organ meat in there too, so it's just like it's all those benefits.
Totally. So if you're the type of person that struggles to get, organs or sea vegetables or anything like that, I mean, this is absolutely delicious. So that's a staple that we'll always have. Then the mushroom soup, that's been a staple for a little while. It's award-winning. It's absolutely delicious. Locally grown mushrooms, potatoes.
And some forage stuff too.
Yeah.
Because we put it's a medicinal mushroom soup. So there's like turkey tail, reishi, chaga, lion's mane, shiitake sometimes. Depending on because it's at the farmer's behest and if they can get it to us, and then
Yeah, totally. So always got those two on, and then what Alex has been talking about is this kind of rotation of seasonal soups. So yeah, as we transition kind of into more the colder months, the snow is here, you'll be able to come in and it'll be a nice little surprise. You'll be able to try out what he's got going on based upon locally grown organic produce that we bring in and turned up into deliciousness.
Totally, and so this one is going to be a more curry blend, masala, curry masala, and so super warming, gingery, like very fall flavors. So
awesome, cool, love it. Thank you.
See you soon.
See you soon.